Good morning, first grade. I hope everyone's day is off to a great start. Today is Wednesday, February 17th, 2021. Today is day 2, which means your special today will be physical education at 12:05 p.m. All right, before we go through the schedule for today, if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And today is the 109th day of school. All right, very good. So coming out first thing this morning, you will see an application problem for math again. There will also be a lesson related to Feel the Wind. So it will be the next lesson with Feel the Wind. And then there will be a deep dive lesson. Then we will meet at 10 today for math. And if you could please bring both of your workbooks, dry erase board and marker, that would be great. There is another sprint type fluency today, so if you could make sure you have the yellow spined book as well, that would be great. And then, as I mentioned, your special is physical education at 12:05, and then we will meet again at 1 for word building. And if you could please bring a blank dictation paper and these letters, that would be great. A, C, D, H, I, M, P, T, and then just the TCH from the Ziploc bag. And that would be great. All right, so the riddle or joke, actually more of a joke for today is, when do astronauts eat? When do astronauts eat? All right, so please let me know if you have any questions or have any trouble logging into anything or getting to any of your work. It was so nice to see some new faces yesterday, and we're so glad you are in our class, and I can't wait to see everybody soon. But let me know if you need anything in the meantime, and I will see you soon at 10 for math. All right, bye. Thanks, guys.